Hey guys, let's check out these Kirkland brand grass-fed beef sticks here. 100 calories per serving, no sugar, and 10 grams of protein. Open it up right here. Opens really easily. Let's take a look at it. Oh, that smells nice and smoky. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a try right now. Not too dry. Got that good smoke flavor coming in. These are probably the best ones that I've ever had. That is excellent. I'll be getting these again for sure. This is top notch. I like these better than the other popular ones. These are my favorite. Not too fatty either. Grass fed. These are absolutely delicious. Best beef sticks I've ever had. These aren't gonna last very long. All right, go get you some. Thanks for watching.